Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on force restarting the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press and hold down on the watch's side button for around 12 seconds. The power menu will appear. Continue holding the button down until a few seconds after the watch's screen goes black. Your watch will then restart itself. Once the watch is restarted, you may have to open the Huawei Health app and connect the watch to your phone again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.